The question says solve 4x squared equals to 49. Solve for x. How do we determine x? Solution. So from here we have 4x squared equals 49. Okay. So when you look at the coefficient of x squared, we have it as 4. So we can divide both sides by 4. So this is out. So we have x squared equals 49 over 4, which is this. But to take care of this square, we take the square root of both sides. Square root of x squared equals square root of 49 over 4. Okay, this one is set as saying s power half, which is this, times 2, okay, equals square root of 49 is 7, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so from here I have a x. So this can go with this, so I have a s power, which saves as x, plus or minus, okay, plus or minus 7 over 2. So my s can either be 7 over 2 or minus 7 over 2. The question says solve for x in this equation. You have 225x squared minus 4 equals to 0. So from here I can easily add 4 to both sides, okay, to take care of this 4. So I have a solution. So I have a 225 x squared minus 4 plus 4 equals 0 plus 4. I'll add 4 to both sides to take care of this. So I have a 225 x squared. This one is minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So I have this as equals 4. Okay. So the next thing we do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared, which is 225. Okay. 225. So this one is out. So we have x squared equals 4 over 225. Okay, but to take care of this square, we take the square root of both sides. So we have square root of this side as well. So we introduce plus or minus. Okay, so this will go with this. So we have just x. Okay, so plus or minus, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 225 is 15. So our s is 2 over 15 or minus 2 over 15. For x in this quadratic equation, we have x squared equals 24 minus 10x. So how do we go about this solution? So do not forget that the general form of the quadratic equation is always in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so let us write this in this form. So we have a x squared, okay, so I have to bring back this, plus 10x, okay, minus 24 equals to 0. This is step 1. Use the factorization method, or I use the formula methods to solve this. So I have a 24, so I can use 2 and 12. So I have a x squared, okay, 12x minus 2x, okay, minus 24 equals to 0. Okay, so from here I can group it in this form, and I look for the common factor. So in the first bracket here, x is common, so I have x into x plus 12 minus, here I have 2 to be common, so 2 into x, okay, plus 12 equals to 0. So from here I can pair this with this. I'll say x minus 2, okay, so I have a x plus 12 equals to 0. So here, if x minus 2 equals to 0, so that means x equals to 2. And if x plus 12 equals to 0, that means x equals to minus 12, using the factorization method. So let us use the formula method. The formula method says minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. So when we look at this equation, my a represents 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. My b stands for 10x. Okay, sorry, my b represents 10, which is the coefficient of x, and my c is minus 24, which is the constant. So I will apply the formula to approach this. So I have a minus, okay, my b stands for 10, which is this, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 10 squared, okay, minus 4 times my a is 1, my c is minus 24, okay, divided by 2a, that is 2 times my a is 1, okay, so equals 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared is 100, okay, so minus and minus is plus. When I multiply 24 by 4, so this should be giving me 96, okay, so I have a 96 divided by 2 times 1 is 2, okay, so from here I have a minus 10 plus or minus square root of, when I add this together I have 196 over 2, okay, so square root of 196 should be 14, okay, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, so this gives us 196 as the square root of, so that means the square root of 196 is 14, so we have minus 10 plus or minus square root of 196 is 14 over 2. From here I have minus 10, okay, plus 14 divided by 2, okay, or minus 10 minus 14 divided by 2. So the result of this is minus 10 and 14 plus 14, that gives me 4 over 2. So when I divide this, I have 2, okay. Minus 10 minus 14, I have minus 24 divided by 2. When I divide this, I have minus 12. So I have 2 or minus 12, I have 2 or minus 12. So this factorization method, while this one is the quadratic formula method. Thank you very much.